Today, we will discuss to you the patterns of paragraph development, namely cause and effect and problem solving.
In any piece of writing, it is important first that the writer outlines whatever it is he or she plans to do. Piece of writing she is going to create. So first, in the cause and effect pattern of paragraph development, it is necessary to create a graphic organizer in which one would organize his or her ideas in order to create the essay more effectively. So, the topic we chose is all about the causes of eyesight damage due to long term exposure to digital devices. So, as you can see, the ideas that we can think about when we speak about the topic is first digital gaming, addiction to television, digital method of teaching, immersing on social media platforms, uh, assignment, projects, and researchers done online, and frequent use of mobile phones. These, rather, are the ideas we can think about when we think of the previously mentioned topic. So, stages of writing a cause and effect pattern of paragraph development. So first up is the introduction. The introduction is a vital part of any essay. It gives the reader an impression of what information the essay contains, and a good introduction is very important in keeping the reader interested in the essay. So for this lesson, we're going to focus on the one effect, multiple causes pattern of writing cause and effect essays, in which we wrote first one effect, which is the main thesis statement, followed by multiple causes, which are the supporting statements respectively. So we're going to show you now the finished introduction. So in the introduction, we made use of our topic by stating first the effect and the main thesis statement, which is long-term exposure to digital devices in relation to eyesight damage, which is the main statement itself, which is then supported by multiple causes as to why long-term exposure to digital devices is indeed occurring in the present time. So for the second part stage is which is the body. So the body contains the information with which the ideas in the introduction is further established by giving more supporting ideas with the intent of developing the main idea in the introduction. So for this lesson, our body consists of multiple effect statements which gives support to our effect main statement because we made use of the one effect multiple causes pattern of writing cause and effect essays. So I'm not gonna read the essay, the body part of the essay out loud, but well, I'm just gonna show the video for 1 minute and well, wait until you finish. In the body, we elaborated further the causes contributing to the long-term exposure to digital devices by stating the reasons for why people would immerse longer in using digital devices. As for example, uh, entertainment through television and digital gaming as the causes as to why people would spend more time using digital devices. So the last, and possibly the most important part of an essay is, uh, well, any essay is the conclusion. The conclusion is one of the most important parts of an essay because no matter how good your introduction was, without a solid and good ending, the earlier analysis could fall flat, no matter how well written the previous ideas are. For the conclusion, all you need to do is restate, but take note. Do not repeat the thesis and consider the implications. Give the readers an expression of hope for the future, a call for action, or simply wrap things up in a nice way. So I'm gonna show you the conclusion and give you a minute to read, uh, internalize message. In our conclusion, we expressed a call for action to people in a subtle manner by simply stating the need to maintain our health while giving reasons as to why we should be healthy. So, in any piece of writing, it is important to uh, organize the ideas of the writer to better improve the result of his or her uh, piece of writing. So first, like we did with the cause and effect pattern of paragraph development, we're going to make a graphic organizer uh, to organize our ideas which we're going to use when we're going to write. So the ideas are family guidance and support, government advocacies and plans, uh, knowing risk factors, symposium about drugs, peer influence, uh, the complete change of an individual in their habit toward in their habit towards drugs, and intervention in media by showing the negative effects of drugs on people.
A problem solution essay is a type of argument. This sort of essay involves argumentation in that the writer seeks to convince the reader to take a particular course of action. In explaining the problem, it may also need to persuade the reader concerning specific causes. Problem solution or problem solving is a method for analyzing and writing about a topic by identifying a problem and proposing one or more solutions. Organizing a problem solution essay. How do you organize a problem solution essay? In making problem solution essay, make sure that you include the following information. First is the introduction. Identify the problem in a nutshell. Explain why this is a problem and mention who should be concerned about it. Solution paragraph or paragraphs. Offer a concrete solution to the problem and explain why this is the best one available. You may want to point out why other possible solutions are inferior to yours. If your solution calls for a series of steps or actions to be followed, present these steps in a logical order. So the last is the conclusion. Rephrase the importance of the problem and the value of your solution.
Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!